bad.
That was a good opening, man. That was a pancake.
I got the...
Did you just catch a carp in there?
Yeah.
Dude, those are some big old, that's a big old carp. That's a big old carp.
All right, man. Let's go fish.
Alex, that's a 25-pound grass carp. You do realize, like, if I would have caught that on rod and reel,
Oh, yeah.
that would have just been a video.
That would have been one hell of a fight.
You just landed that in the net, and if you didn't have that super duper net, that would have ripped my 5-foot net, dude.
Dude, I'm telling you.
Hell yeah. Oh, that's why you come with the pros, man. They know what they're doing. There it is. Yeah, that's a big tilapia. So y'all, it's 45 degrees. Oh, we got bait, we got rods, we got a dream. Let's make it happen. All right, y'all, we are about to get some lines out. Do big fish bite in the cold weather? We're gonna find out. We have some shrimp, we have some beef kidneys, and we have some cut bait. We got everything to make this happen, y'all. Lines in the water. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Line one. We got half shrimp on an over-under rig. I'm gonna toss this out. I'm not even gonna toss this very far. Over the trees we go. Not very far. I'm gonna hold this. I have a feeling, Alex, it might get picked up really quickly. Yeah, he's on. Yeah, there he is. Oh, he's feisty. He's feisty, man. Okay. That is not a bad little catfish for a piece of shrimp. Skunks off the boat. That only took a couple minutes. Okay, so on this rod, nice big piece of that grass carp. We're gonna throw this out into the main channel. We're gonna put our shrimp line back out there. Because I do believe if there is a big fish, he's gonna hit on much bigger bait. I really need to clean this reel. That didn't sound very good, did it? I'm gonna put our shrimpy line back out. And we're gonna get line 3 out. Beef kidney, we're gonna put that on a line. See it hits. I have never fished with a beef kidney before. Let's go ahead and start small. I'm calling that small. I think that's pretty good. Put that out there. To the moon. We have fresh mullet that we just caught in the net. Whoa. And we got shrimp. And we got shrimp and kidneys. Oh, we've been getting the bites and strikes, man. He peeled off with that. Okay, moving in the right direction. This little kitty got bigger. Now we need an 80-pound bigger catfish. As I was saying, we have fresh mullet going out, grass carp going out on this one as well, beef kidney, and we are still throwing out the over-under rig with the shrimp. So far, shrimp is getting it done. There he is. He was on it. Okay, here we go. It's about the same size. About the same size. Still looking for the 80-pounder.
Got him?
Yeah. Yeah, we got him. He's small. Here we go. We got another one. This guy's actually got some battle scars on him. Interesting. We could sit here all day and catch dinks because there's moving water. Moving water always means fish. So I think we're gonna go try to find the big ones. Now we got our double drop, shrimp heads. We're just gonna lower this down the boat. Just a couple feet. Got him. Oh. He is pissed. Here, give me the little. Yeah, there you go. Oh, with the night crawler.
Yeah, the tiny little piece of worm.
Oh, get him, Alex,
I'll
get
take
him.
it. I'll take it.
On the little rod. Not a bad little blue.
Shoot. Take it down, take it down, take it down.
There we go, yeah. Shrimp and night crawlers getting it done today, Alex.
Yeah.
Wow, he hammered that, dude. Oh, he's death rolling me. Okay. Good one. That looked good, man.
Oh yeah, that one's on.
You're on, dude. Ooh, that looked like a good one, Alex.
Okay, they're getting a little better.
That's the biggest one of the day. Biggest one of the day so far.
So far,
So
and that's
far.
a good one, man.
That is a good one. That's a good one.
Whew. I'd eat that.
Po' boys for dinner. We weren't fishing at a sewage plant.
Yeah.
So the fish do bite in 45-degree weather. Awesome. We are gonna take some shrimp, throw it into the sewer pipe, see if we can't catch a fish. Is there a fish in the tunnel?
Bro, no way.
Yeah. Oh, he is feisty as heck.
You're gonna have more beer.
Oh, damn.
More beer.
There we go, man.
Ooh, that's a fat channel right there.
Catfish in the sewers. Here we go, y'all. Nice. Catfish from the sewer. And look, something took a bite out of this guy's tail. I don't know, something took a bite out of that guy. Absolutely. Catfish from the sewers. Alright, y'all, we have been bouncing around. The first spot, we caught a bunch of fish. But we are looking for a bigger fish. And we're at a new spot. Fingers crossed we get a good one, y'all. Or at least get some more. Because the last couple of spots have not paid off. The drain pipe was kind of cool, though. All right, let's go. Throwing out some nice carp going out, y'all. I got a piece about half that size on this rod. Let's see what happens. Gotta come over here to cast, y'all. Go ahead and put y'all down right there. We have our Old Faithful half shrimps on the double drops. We're gonna send it out, y'all. I think I may have left that one a little too shallow.
Get him?
Yeah, he's on
yeah.
there. He's on there.
He got there.
Yeah, he's about to cross your line, man. He's going out to the middle. He's going out to the middle. Do what?
My line don't even have a fish.
There he comes. Oh, I snagged something, man. Oh, there he goes. I don't know, man. He's all up in that bush, I think. Dude, did I just... What? Man, Alex. Alex. That's on a piece of shrimp, Alex. That is absolutely the biggest catfish I've ever caught on a piece of shrimp. Oh my God, dude. I can't believe that just happened on shrimp. Oh, can you get my other camera? Damn, I didn't even think to film that. All right, this spot paid off. Here we go. Here we go. I can't believe I just caught this fish, this size fish. Look how fat that belly is on a piece of dead shrimp. On a piece of dead shrimp, Alex. You hate shrimp. Oh, here he is, y'all. Nice, big winter blue. That is a good sized fish, man. All right, we're gonna take some photos and then we're gonna cut this guy loose. Absolutely biggest catfish I've caught on store-bought shrimp. Love it, I love it, I love it. Hopefully we catch some more. If not, I'll catch you on the next video.